Welcome to Vlog 3, where I'll be looking at research on the health and wellbeing benefits of gardening. My name is Dr. Jonathan Yachty Kingsley, and I'm a Senior Lecturer of Health Motion at Swinburne University of Technology. I'm speaking to you today from my veggie patch on the lands of the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation, and would like to pay my respects to elders past, present, and emerging. Today I'll be talking about a publication that I put together in 2019 with um, Aisling Bailey and Emily Fernandez in BMC Public Health. It's called You Feel Like You're Part of Something Bigger, Exploring Motivations for Community Gardens Participation in Melbourne, Australia. Now, if you've been following these vlogs, you'll notice that I've been going in chronological order. And you may be wondering why there's a 10-year gap between my previous gardening research. Well, in that time, I focused more on research on the human-nature relationship and how that impacts health and well-being. And I also worked with Aboriginal Victorian communities to show the connection between country and health and well-being is related. I also worked in government and the non-government sector in that time in places like Vic Health and Oxfam Australia. But back to this paper, where we looked at the motivations of why people were involved in community gardens um, across Melbourne, Victoria. There were six major reasons for this that we identified for why people participated in community gardens. And they were associated, one, that was associated with family history, childhood, and the passion for gardening, where gardening was part of people's upbringing and it turned into a passion. Two was the reward of a productive garden, being motivated by sustainability and growing fresh produce in nature. Three, community gardens were motivated by building social and community connections. Four, some people were driven by community advocacy and civic activism, in that they participated to create a better future in an environmental and social sense. Five, others used this space for stress relief and escaping the pressures and hustle and bustle of urban life. Six, building identity, pride, and purpose was a final motivation for people being involved in community gardens. They were driven by creating a sense of place. Now, the barriers to accessing community gardens included limited time, poor gardening governance, and vandalism of the gardens, which caused frustration. I recommended in this paper moving beyond case studies where we show the great benefits of community gardening to national guidelines to engage more people in agriculture activities across Australia. Now, to finish this vlog, I'd like to ask you, why are you motivated to do a bit of gardening? Would love to hear your comments. Thank you very much.